These are the generations of the sons of Noah. Shem, Ham, and Japheth. Sons were born to them after the flood. The sons of Japheth were Gomer, Magog, Madai, Javan, Tubal, Meshech, and Tiras. The sons of Gomer were Ashkenaz, Riphath, and Togarma. The sons of Javan were Elisha, Tarshish, Kittim, and Dodanim. From these the coastlands of the nations were divided into their lands,
each according to its language, by their families, in their nations.
The sons of Ham were Cush, Mizraim, Put, and Canaan. The sons of Cush were Seba, Havilah, Sabta, Rama, and Sabteka. And the sons of Rama were Sheba and Dedan. Cush fathered Nimrod. He was the first to become a mighty one on the earth. He was a mighty hunter before the Lord. Therefore it is said, like Nimrod, a mighty hunter before the Lord. The beginning of his kingdom was Babel, Erech, Akkad, and Calneh in the land of Shinar. From that land he went to Assyria and built Nineveh, Rehoboth-ir, and Calah. From that land he went to Assyria and built Nineveh, Rehoboth-ir, and Calah. And Resen, between Nineveh and Calah, that is the great city. Mizraim fathered the Ludim, Anamim, Lehabim, and Naphtuhim. And the Pathrusim, the Casluhim from whom came the Philistines, and the Caphtorim. Canaan fathered Sidon, his firstborn, and Heth. And the Jebusite, the Amorite, and the Girgashite.
The wind shifts strangely today.
It is merely the season changing, my friend.
Let us discuss the border dispute.
And the Hivite, the Archite, and the Sinite.
The Arvadite, the Zemarite, and the Hamathite.
Afterward, the families of the Canaanites spread abroad. The territory of the Canaanites extended from Sidon toward Gerar, as far as Gaza, and towards Sodom, Gomorrah, Admah, and Zeboim, as far as Lasha. These are the sons of Ham, according to their families. Their languages, their lands, and their nations. Sons were also born to Shem. the father of all the sons of Eber, the older brother of Japheth. The sons of Shem were Elam, Ashur, Arphaxad, Lud, and Aram. The sons of Aram were Uz, Hul, Gether, and Mash. Arphaxad fathered Shelah, and Shelah fathered Eber. To Eber were born 2 sons. The name of the one was Peleg,
because in his days the earth was divided, and his brother's name was Joktan.
Joktan fathered Almodad, Shelef, Hazarmaveth, and Jerah, Hadoram, Uzal, and Dikla. Obal, Abimael, and Sheba.
Ophir, Havilah, and Jobab. All these were the sons of Joktan.
Their dwelling place extended from Mesha towards Sephar, the mountain of the east. These are the sons of Shem, according to their families.
Their languages, their lands, and their nations.
These are the families of the sons of Noah, according to their generations. In their nations, and from these the nations were spread over the earth after the flood. The paper burns, the word remains.
Want to learn how to create cinematic videos like this? First link in the description.
Genesis 11. Genesis 11. One tongue beneath one sky, one people, one name. Genesis 11. We stacked the earth to touch the heavens. We spoke as one voice. Genesis 11. The heavens answered. The word was broken. The voice was divided. We rose as one, and were scattered as many. Genesis 11.